how much should you really spend on a texturizing spray for volume? Because here's the thing, cheap ones leave your hair crunchy or flat, and expensive ones don't always deliver. Some people swear by sea salt, others want zero dryness. The real answer isn't about price. It's about what actually works for your hair type and lifestyle.
Product number 1, L3 Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. First up, the L3 Level 3 Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. This one's been flying off shelves. Over 30,000 sold last month, and it's easy to see why. It promises beachy waves, volume, and a natural finish, all in an 8.45 ounce bottle. If you want that effortless, tousled look without the stiff, salty crunch, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses real sea salt to create texture, but also includes castor oil to lock in moisture. That means you get volume without the dryness that usually comes with sea salt sprays. It's paraben-free, works on all hair types, and gives a light hold, perfect if you hate that crunchy hairspray feel. The natural scent is subtle, not overpowering, and it's easy to brush through after styling. Honestly, for a no-frills, effective texturizer, this one surprised me. Now, some people complained about the lack of strong hold. If you're going for a full-on styled look that lasts through wind and humidity, this might not be enough. Here's the thing though, that's actually the point. This spray is designed for a soft, lived-in finish, not rigid structure. So if you want something that looks natural and feels touchable, it's a win. This is perfect for you if you want casual, everyday volume with a beachy vibe and don't want to deal with dry, brittle hair. Skip this one if you need strong hold or are styling for photos or events. And even though the price isn't listed, the high sales volume suggests it's very reasonably priced. Great value for the performance.
Product number 2, Viking Revolution Sea Salt Spray. Next, the Viking Revolution Sea Salt Spray. $9.99 for 8 ounces and over 20,000 sold. This one's marketed heavily toward men, but works just as well for women. It's got kelp, aloe vera, and red algae extract, which sounds fancy, but here's what that actually does for you. Hydration and grip. If you want volume that doesn't sacrifice softness, this is a solid pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The aloe vera soothes the scalp and prevents dryness, while the sea salt gives that instant lift at the roots. It's great as a pre-styler. Spray it on damp hair before blow drying for extra body, or use it on dry hair to revive flat strands. The aloe scent is fresh, not perfumey, and it doesn't leave residue. Plus, it's paraben-free and works on all hair types, which is rare at this price. Now, some people said it can feel a little sticky if you over-apply. Here's the thing though, that's true of almost every sea salt spray. The key is using a light mist and distributing it evenly. Once it dries, it smooths out. So it's not a flaw, just a learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, multi-use spray that adds volume and texture without drying your hair. Skip this one if you're sensitive to aloe or prefer completely scent-free products. At under $10, it's a steal for the quality.
Product number 3, Color Wow Extra Large Bombshell Volumizer. Now, if the last two were about natural texture, this one takes a totally different approach. The Color Wow Extra Large Bombshell Volumizer is $12 for 50 milliliters. Smaller bottle, but a completely different formula. This isn't a sea salt spray. It's alcohol-free, salt-free, and uses a proprietary volumizing technology. If you want serious, lasting volume without any crunch or dryness, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most volumizers use alcohol or salt to lift hair, which can dehydrate and dull over time. This one uses lightweight polymers that coat each strand to make it appear thicker, without weighing it down. The result? Hair that looks fuller, feels soft, and stays voluminous for hours. It's fragrance-free, so it won't clash with your perfume, and it's safe for color-treated hair. Now, some people said it doesn't add much texture, and that's true. This isn't for beachy waves. It's for volume, pure and simple. If you want defined waves or grit, look elsewhere. But if you have fine or thin hair and just want more body, this is a game changer.
This is perfect for you if you want maximum volume with zero damage or dryness, especially if you've been burned by traditional salt sprays. Skip this one if you're looking for texture or hold. At $12, it's mid-range, but the technology makes it worth every penny.
Product number 4, Pete and Pedro Salt Spray. All right, that was a high-tech volumizer, but the next one brings us back to sea salt with a premium twist. The Pete and Pedro Salt Spray is $19.99 for 8.5 ounces, and it's been featured on Shark Tank. Over 10,000 sold, and it's formulated for both men and women. If you want volume, texture, and hydration in one, this one's a standout. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses natural sea salt for texture, but infuses it with sea kelp, a natural moisturizer that prevents the dryness sea salt is known for. It gives instant volume and a light hold with low shine, so your hair looks full but never crunchy. It's alcohol-free and paraben-free and washes out easily. Plus, it works on all hair types and lengths, whether you're going for messy waves or just root lift. Now, some people said it's a bit pricey compared to drugstore options. Here's the thing though, you're paying for cleaner ingredients and better hydration. If you've tried cheaper sprays that left your hair brittle, this one actually protects while it styles. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, effective sea salt spray that won't dry out your hair. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer heavy hold. At $20, it's an investment, but for the quality, it's justified.
Product number 5, Lange Hair Sea Salt Spray. Finally, the Lange Hair Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. $20 for just 4 ounces. Yes, it's small, but this one's packed with clean ingredients. Sulfate-free, alcohol-free, silicone-free, and paraben-free. Over 5,000 sold, and it's designed for that soft, touchable volume that moves with you. If you want luxury-level texture without the toxins, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The mineral-infused formula uses sea salt and kelp to create volume while keeping hair hydrated. It's lightweight, never sticky, and gives a flexible hold, perfect for soft waves or refreshing second-day hair. The fresh scent is subtle, and the 4-ounce size makes it ideal for travel or gym bags. Now, some people said the bottle is too small for the price, and honestly, they're not wrong. You're paying $20 for half the size of others. But here's the thing, the formula is concentrated. A little goes a long way, and the clean ingredients justify the cost if you're avoiding harsh chemicals. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, portable texturizer with a luxurious feel. Skip this one if you go through sprays quickly or hate small bottles. It's pricey per ounce, but for the quality and convenience, it earns its spot.
So which one should you pick? If you want affordable, natural texture, go with Viking Revolution. For serious volume without dryness, Color Wow is unmatched. L3 and Pete and Pedro both deliver great sea salt results. L3 for casual use, Pete and Pedro for hydration. And if you want clean ingredients and portability, Lange is worth the splurge. There's no one-size-fits-all. It depends on your hair and how you style. But one of these will definitely give you the volume you've been chasing.